Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, I am so mad. Okay, I am so mad. So I made an order on the 30th of January kwa Shein bazokhona bazothi Shein but mina ngizathi Shein. So guys, I made this order. I made an order. I placed an order 30 January, and it is only today that I received the order, 19 February 2026. And the order that I received sana ihlazo amahloni kimi and it was my first order guys, and I placed my first order on Shein, and I am very very disappointed guys. People keep telling me, no, you should have read the reviews. People are saying good things, like the trouser that I bought. People are saying, oh, the trouser, it's nice. And then when I have to wear the trouser, the overall enkulu nje igazi hey ngizobona. So this is the item that I'm extremely happy about. Okay, this is the bag that I bought for my son. It's a personalized bag with his name. This is what I like. Okay, quality the best. It's strong, yeah, born. Yeah, I like this one, 10 out of 10. Even my son loves it so much. And then I bought these eyelashes. Okay, I can't really say much about these, yes. But ngiyabona nje ukuthi quality is not giving, but it's fine. I'm not really concerned or worried about this. It was like 16 rand or something. So ngiyayibona cela ungitshele ukuthi yini le yini lena. Guys, let me put a picture of this trouser so that you guys can see. This is not what I wanted. This is the material, guys. It's giving overall sham, and again yinkulu. And when after receiving these things, I went back to the app to check the reviews. People are saying nice things there. They didn't mention what it's an overall le ngosabile plugel ne rege move ngathi ngiyahlanya material. That's a 0 out of 10, guys. I'm rating all of these items. Leon, it's all a 0. I don't even know who I'm going to give this to because I don't want it. And I don't even want to return it. And then that's about 80 rand, and the trouser was like 156 rand. So it's just pointless. I don't know who I'm going to give this to. Wait, skin. And then it's this bag. Like, yinle. Yini lena ibheki le or iphepha. Yeah, this thing was 220. I should have just taken my money and went to Mr. Price and got a nice 220 bag. Eqinile. Can you put a laptop in this shit? Yeah, uyifaka kanjani laptop la? How do you know what is safe or not? The reviews, people never said anything good. Hey, this thing is bad. They keep on saying nice things. And I bought a bag for 220 because people have been telling me, people that I know, if you buy something that is less than 100 rand, expect trash. This one, 220. Mara yini lena. Oh, guys, I'm so mad. Like, I waited for this order for like 3 weeks, and then this is the ish that I get. Okay, the shoes, Shem, love them to bits. It's the correct size, correct everything. They are comfortable, not too big. I love those shoes. 10 out of 10. On the app they showed me what it's a blazer. Guys, I'm having a very very huge crash out. Okay, like the whole day I've been thinking about those things and the time that I wasted and the money. I'll put the picture, you'll see what this thing looked like. A blazer. Reviews, obviously I did check the reviews, guys. I'm not crazy, I'm not that stupid. Wapumi blouse. Okay, on the sizing part, the trouser is big. It's my fault. I took a bigger size, extra large. Even this one is extra large. I took a bigger size. I'm a size large. Before buying, obviously, because I've never bought anything from Shein. Imagine Shein has been around for all this time and I've never bought anything. I did some research nyana, asked around, you know, asking people Wuti am I sizing don't, but no, the sizes are too small. So when you buy a size bigger. Hence I bought Gebo extra large. With that one it's my fault. But yeah, yinle iblazer le eshabona kanje. Yeah, iblazer. Like I'm having a crash out with these things. But yeah, at least I can still wear it as a blouse, but only if I'm going to work. But only if I'm going to work, son. Not in the way I need to look my age. Because at work, well, I need to look like I'm old. But I am old, but yeah. Guys, it's so hot. Can you guys see that I'm sweating? Yeah. This is so funny. Now, what happened to the ozone layer? Huh? There is a hole in the ozone layer. Because what nonsense is this? Sham, my colleagues, Sham, I received these things at work, guys. My colleagues tried to do that. I mean, no, you can still wear this. Hey, wara. Hey, don't. I will see. I will see. Hey, I will see, Sham. Oh, I can still wear this. It's fine. I'll just use the belt to make it look like it's my size. Hey, even in English, I am so mad. Very, very mad. People are always making shit in hauls here. Posting the right things. Now when it's my turn to buy, I have to buy things that are out of order. I have to buy things that are 0% quality. And also there are things that I bought for my boyfriend, but he took them then. Alright. I will put the pictures you guys can see. You watch, it's what you see in the picture. Necklace is what you see in the picture. E-wallet. Guys, yabona le bag, yes, it's trash, but it's much better. That wallet is a paper. And I don't know why he took it. He's like, no, it's fine. I was like, bruh, just give me the wallet. I don't want my reputation being trashed there. Your friends seeing that thing. And he was like, no, I'm not gonna use it. And then I was like, give me the wallet. He was like, no, I'm not gonna use it, but it's not. Yeah, guys, iphepha. Yalazi iphepha. Noma bangayibona iwile le phansi angeke baze bayidobhe. The way iphepha ngakhona. I understand nokuthi into zesheni zisebenza kanjani. Why ningasitshela ukuthi you guys are just promoting this thing, ne? Okay, lana ke it's my fault, I guess. I thought it's a tripod. Yeah, but in fact it's a selfie stick. Yeah, it's a selfie stick. I thought it's a tripod, ne? When I bought this thing, they said it comes with the light. Manje, I'm confused. Okay, sharp, it's a selfie stick, and you can even open it here. Angazi futhi ukuthi lokhu press up. For sure, there's something that I need to put. I am going to be reading the box to see. But la iyavuleka nje. I'm going to read the box to see instructions. Now I'm getting a selfie stick in 2026. Hi guys. Okay, maybe I will use it very, but yeah, sharp. Why light I move? Why light I move? Light and la ngoba mele light mina. Ngisho ifoni ngifaka la. I've already tested it. Like this is where you put your phone. I-light while I move ngicela ningitsheleni before ngiyiphula lento ngoba mina ngi-understand ukuthi la kwenzakalani. Ilayitana emuva. Shuthi ilayita yona mangijikisa i-camera mayilayo. I'm going to read the instructions and see. I was so happy ukuthi finally at least I'm gonna have videos that are like better in lighting, not perfect but better, because sana le phone engiphathayo Samsung A05 is showing me flames like my videos I don't like them. Continue with the haul, ne? I then bought this phone case. I love it, shame. I love it. It makes my phone look expensive even though it's a Samsung A05. Lana a picture, ne? This is my picture. It's my fault with the picture thing. The quality of this picture was not giving. It's a picture that I took using i-Snapchat yabo, so it has ama-filters nyana yabona nama-shine shine nani. So I really can't blame them, but I love it here nala nala. I will try to buy it and put a nice picture, and then I can say something about it, ne? And then I have this lastly, guys. I'm really excited about these. I have people that have been complaining about the sound, the upper, saying that they can't hear me, nani. So I am hoping for the best. This year, yabon, kanivula manje. Still closed. I didn't open it. I am going to be in shock. But I'm hoping it's going to improve my sound. I hope it's going to improve my sound. Mama. Okay. Oh, le ngasufaka la phezu kwaleni. Okay, nice. Nice. I don't know. But okay, yeah. In my next video, guys, you guys are going to be seeing this. Okay, I'm not really mad about this, but I will judge it after connecting. Thank you so much for watching. I just realized that I didn't do the outro when I was doing this video. I just wanted to post the video, so when I checked Tybo, there's no outro. But that was my Shein haul. I am really not happy, and I'm not blaming them. I put the blame on myself, okay? Because Sana, I should have been careful. Especially I'm not blaming them with the sizes, but with the quality, Sana, I don't know. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye.